welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to make the large cursor in Windows 10. Let's begin our tutorial. First go to your setting. You can see the icon here. This is the setting icon. You can go to this icon or in your search button type settings and your setting app will open here. Once your setting app will open, go to your ease of access and then go to the mouse pointer here. If you want your mouse cursor to be bigger, slide this one and increase the value. The more you slide it, the cursor will getting more bigger. As you can see that my cursor is currently getting bigger. It was smaller before. I show you again. See, firstly it's small. As soon as I increase the cursor, it's going bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's going to this big. If you want the cursor in different styles, choose your styles. You can select the color as you like and then close it. Now you can see that my cursor is wide bigger. Okay, to undo your cursor, again go back to the settings. And again go to same process, ease of access, and go to mouse pointer. Now decrease the size. That's the default we had before. And close it. That's it. This is how you change the mouse cursor in Windows 10. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.